The original factory equipped step rails or running boards are in pretty rough shape due to rust. The passenger side one's already missing in action. This one is falling apart. It's under there, foam. Luckily that didn't blow off in the breeze on the road. Look how rusty that is. This piece is still firmly attached. I think I'll need a pry bar to bust this loose. Maybe not. What do you think? Genuine North American white oak. An actual running board. 1.5 thick white oak, home sawed on a band mill. It's 6 or 6.5 inches wide and 7 foot long. This happened to be the width of material I had on hand. I need to put 3 more bolts in yet, but I'm short on hardware right now, so I have to get some more tomorrow. Then I have the board to put on the other passenger side. So I left the rough saw marks on top for extra grip. I haven't decided if I'll paint it or not. I may just let it weather. Put the belt sander to the edges to chamfer it so it's less likely to splinter off when you step on it. I sanded the edge slightly too. Running boards are finished. I have 5/16 carriage bolts, 6 for each running board. So this is pretty stout. Feels pretty darn firm to me. So this trim piece on my other Supercrew is damaged, so I want to remove this. But to remove it, I had to lower this window. This pickup's all torn apart, so I had to bring a jumper battery and hot wire to power the window to get it down. So got it that far. Now I think if I pull this rubber apart, there's adhesive under here, but I think it should separate. Let's pull it apart. This is aluminum, so it will bend easily. There, that's strong adhesive. I bent up the tab here, hopefully I can straighten it out enough. There. There's 3 plastic pins that snap in place. I didn't reapply any adhesive under here. I think this gasket will hold it. I got slightly bent here so it's not allowing the gasket to go on very easily. So here's the wheel I removed because the caliper had rubbed. Had actually poked holes into the rim because the caliper was only held on by a top bolt, so it would swing, and when you'd apply the brake, the rotor would flip it and it would dig right into the wheel each time I'd apply the brake. And not only did it rub, but then would go so far it would actually push a hole basically in through the rim and caused it to leak. So you see it actually cracked. It pushed it so hard it pressure cracks here. So I bought a wheel through an eBay auction. It's down in Texas at a salvage yard. They shipped it to my door today. I was looking for one locally, but I just simply didn't find one. Plus the convenience of eBay makes it more enticing to just order and have it shipped to your door. So this is a replacement wheel here. It's actually in nicer condition than the wheel I took off because this wheel has various corrosion. This one looks pretty darn clean. And maybe that's because it's from Texas, hasn't seen salt like the Minnesota roads around here. So put this on and it should be good to go.